Hey everybody, here are all the ingredients that I'm using for this simple spicy Cajun dirty rice. I'm going to scan every ingredient slowly so that you can get a good feel and picture of what I'm putting into this dish. And once you get that scan, you go to the store, purchase your items. If you got it already, let's get this ball rolling. And we're going to start out with our veggies. I've washed them thoroughly and I diced them. And now I'm going to go ahead and rinse my rice. I like to rinse my rice before cooking. All right, I'm adding 4 cups of chicken broth, low sodium, to the pot. And then with that, we're going to add 2 cups of rice. I'm making a larger portion because I'm going to use my leftover rice for some shrimp fried rice that I want to make. So once we have all that in the pot, then we're going to bring it to a boil. And when we get to that boiling consistency, then we're going to turn it down and put a lid on, and we're going to simmer for 20 minutes on low. Just like that. Rice is done and perfect. Look at it. Looks good, doesn't it? Perfect all the time. Now set it aside and let's get the meat portion for the dirty rice together. Adding in whatever type of oil you have with the garlic, onions, celery, and bell peppers. You can use red and green, all red, all green, whatever you like. It's your choice. It's your kitchen. Remember, whatever you do in your kitchen is what you like to do. So we're going to cook that, stir it around for a little bit. And then it'll be time to add in our seasoning mix. And I love to swirl my seasonings around. It just makes me think that it's a combination. It's not doing anything, but it just makes me happy. So I add in all my seasonings, and then we're going to cook that until it's just a little tender. All right, my veggies are to the consistency that I like. So now I'm going to cook my meat. As you can see, I'm working with a very large skillet, so I'm going to be adding my meat to this skillet and just having the veggies sit on the side. I'm working with ground turkey and spicy or hot Italian sausage. If you would like to use ground pork or ground beef, by all means do you, boo. And you can use non-spicy Italian sausage. And if you just want to skip the Italian sausage, you can do that. But I tell you, if you do, the taste is not going to be the same. So trust me when I say, get you some Italian sausage. Okay? All right. Moving on. My meat is now all cooked through, so I'm going to combine all the veggies to the meat. Just like that. Just like that. Yeah. Doesn't that look good? It looks good already to me. It's pretty. You see the red, you see the green. It's pretty. All right, you see all of the excess grease. I took a paper towel and drained all that out. I didn't have a video to show that, but I did drain that grease out. I'm adding in 2 cups of rice to my meat mixture. If you'd like more or less, it's all up to you and what you'd like to do. It's your kitchen, so do you, boo. Look at that. It looks good. It's all mixed in well. Perfect side dish. Like, share, and subscribe. Hit that notification bell so you'll be notified each time I drop a video. Bye.